you do when you have a decision to make? Ask around. Everybody's got a different process. Some people make a list of pros and cons and then weigh them out. Other people will call a trusted friend or advisor. If you saw Mark Brown's speech earlier today, he calls David Brooks. What do I do when I need to make a decision? I check in with my dogs. Now this works for me because I have two dogs that come at life from very different perspectives. One dog, Sadie, ears up, smile on her face, sparkly eyes. She's my adventure dog. She is ready for anything. In the great debate, Sadie will play the role of my opportunity maximizer. But I have two dogs. Counterpoint is my dog, Misha. She's not an adventurer. Misha has big, brown, puddly eyes, and her ears are always back. Misha never looks forward. She's always planning an exit strategy. Point, counterpoint. So this works pretty well for me most of the time. One morning, we were deciding how we were going to take our walk. Sadie advocates for free. This is it, we're going out. It's going to save time, we get to sniff everything, it's going to be amazing. Misha always asks the best questions. Jean, do you remember the last time we went off leash? Sadie jumped in the neighbor's pool. It took us a really long time. Misha does not like very sudden movements. So we get into another debate. Do we do this? Do we proceed? Do we dare? Sadie. Yeah. This is going to be so great, Jean. It's going to be so great. Here's an opportunity for us to desensitize Misha a little bit. You're going to get your morning exercise, no delays. And often, for me, the back of the trash truck, every once in a while, will expel the tastiest snack. Jean, this is a win-win-win. How can we go wrong? All right. I'm checking in with little Misha, and she's looking up at me with her big brown eyes. I don't know, Jean. I can't tell you right now how I feel about this. Come on, let's go. All right, ladies, we're going. We're going to do this. So we take a few more steps, and just as we approach, that trash truck compressor starts moving. You know the black thing that comes down and smushes all the trash, and there's a guy throwing a can up, and things get crazy. Sadie's Misha hasn't really been on this. But as all of this comes together, this is when Misha decides to take her stand. I'm not really looking at her too much, but she starts to circle me. with her leash. And before I know it, I'm hog-tied, and this is the time that Misha decides to beat the hasty retreat. So she starts running down the street to the house. I'm standing there hog-tied, and before I know it, I'm spinning around like a top, and I misstep, and then bam! I'm belly flopped in the middle of the road, right in front of the trash truck. The sanitation crew was very kind, and they helped me out. And as I got up, dusting off those palms, the knees, I started to get ready for the short but humbling walk home. Sadie in tow. She looks up at me and she says, "Jean, that was crazy. I never saw that coming. If you're feeling all right, can we go around back and see if there's any snacks?" "No, Sadie, we're going home." So we walked home, and I realized upon closer assessment that I had a gap in my process, right? Misha clearly wasn't prepared to make a quick decision in a stressful way, in a stressful circumstance. All right, so we have a challenge. So we're working on it, right? It's a work in progress. We're making some progress. She's coming along. She's getting really tired of me sneaking up behind her and making a really loud noise. She can't stand it anymore. But she's coming along. So we come back to the question, what do you do when you need to make a decision? Me, I check in with my dogs, which works for me most of the time.